If you're listening to this audio after browsing through my website, it probably means one of three things. One, you're an entrepreneur who needs some personal coaching to help you prepare yourself to relinquish control of the family business. Two, as a non-family executive, you know you have much greater potential in your professional life. Know that you need a qualified coach to help you lead confidently at a higher level in the family business. Or three, someone suggested a business coach to you, and you're just checking out some sites to find someone that speaks to you. Whatever your reason, thanks for stopping by, and hopefully I can help you realize that having a coach isn't a luxury, but more of an essential requirement in today's ever-changing world. Hello, my name is Deborah Mathis, and I am the Managing Principal and Founder of E2S Solutions Professional Coaching. And I coach entrepreneurs and their non-family leadership team. Typically, the entrepreneurs that I work with are constantly overwhelmed by too many responsibilities. Tell me if this resonates with you. Do you feel you're constantly fighting fires? You're always focusing on fixing the problems in the business? Are you frustrated that you don't have the right team around you? And in the end, you realize that you're working entirely in your business as opposed to on it. Sounds familiar? Well, most of my clients are looking to shape their businesses into what they thought it would be when they started or acquired it, their ideal image of their business. So you could be a seasoned executive as well who has reached a pretty high level, but you really need that extra push for someone who will be totally honest and help you identify your shortcomings. You know that you're a good leader, but are also aware that to be a great leader, you need to get outside your comfort zone. And only a professional business coach can help you reach beyond your self-imposed limits. I use a unique approach called energy leadership, which helps entrepreneurs and executives to discover the default tendencies, beliefs, and perceptions that they have adopted over the years. Now you've heard my story. I can't wait to hear yours, so let's talk soon.